You think math belongs only in textbooks, but every step you take is ruled by numbers. From the way you cross a street to the way your phone works, math is everywhere. It is the invisible code behind daily life. Welcome to Zukkun Knows. 1. Patterns. We live surrounded by patterns. The stripes on a zebra, the tiles on a floor, or the rhythm of music all follow mathematical rules. Patterns help us predict what comes next. Our brain loves them because they reduce surprise and save energy. This is why spotting patterns feels satisfying. It is your brain rewarding itself for solving math hidden in the world. 2. Cooking. When you cook, you are doing math. Recipes are ratios. 2 cups of flour to 1 cup of water. Temperature is measured in degrees. Time is measured in minutes. Even scaling a recipe for more people is multiplication in action. Cooking without realizing it proves math is not separate from life. It is built into survival. 3. Shopping math hides in every store. Discounts use percentages. Buy one, get one deals are fractions in disguise. Comparing prices per gram or per liter requires division. Without math, we would be fooled easily by big labels. Knowing how to calculate helps us survive in a world filled with marketing tricks. 4. Travel. Every trip you take involves math. Speed is distance divided by time. Your GPS uses geometry to draw the shortest path. It also relies on satellites, which need equations to stay in orbit. Even walking involves math. You take steps at a rhythm, balancing distance, time, and energy. Travel is motion powered by numbers. 5. Architecture buildings stand because of math. Angles, symmetry, and balance decide if a bridge holds or falls. Ancient builders used geometry long before calculators existed. The pyramids of Egypt, Roman aqueducts, and modern skyscrapers are all math made visible. Every wall and beam is designed with equations, even if we never see them. 6. Sports. Every game hides equations. A basketball follows a parabola when it arcs to the hoop. Soccer players calculate angles when they pass or shoot. Even if they do not use numbers, their brain solves geometry in real time. Coaches use statistics to track performance. Sports may look like instinct, but it is instinct shaped by math. 7. Music is math for the ears. Notes are frequencies measured in hertz. Rhythm is fractions of beats. Harmony is ratios that sound pleasing. The octave, double the frequency, is one of the oldest mathematical discoveries in art. Whether you play piano or just tap your foot, you are living inside mathematical patterns. 8. Nature follows math too. Sunflowers and pine cones grow in spirals that match the Fibonacci sequence. Bees build honeycombs with perfect hexagons to save wax and store more honey. Snowflakes form with 6-fold symmetry. These shapes are not random. They are math's solution to efficiency and beauty, repeated across life. 9. Technology. Your phone works because of math. Binary code is just ones and zeros. Algorithms compress photos, encrypt messages, and suggest videos. Without algebra, geometry, and probability, there would be no internet, no GPS, no streaming. Technology is not magic. It is applied math at scale. Every swipe is powered by hidden equations. 10th. Decisions, even choices, are mathematical. Psychologists model decision-making with probability. We weigh risks, rewards, and outcomes. Should you buy insurance? Cross the road now or wait? These are math problems your brain solves unconsciously. Forgetting this can lead to mistakes, but remembering it helps you live smarter. Math is not just numbers on paper. It is the quiet engine of daily life. From nature to choices, it shapes what we see and what we do. So next time you say, "I never use math," remember, you already did today. If this opened your eyes, subscribe for more hidden truths of the world.